Hi Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading for love or romantic situation. Just take what resonates for you at wag ipilit na i-match or i-fit, no? Kung hindi para sa inyo. Maraming salamat Pisces. Please like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Let's see kung ano yung energy for you and your person on love and romantic situation. What is going on? Ano yung energy ng person mo, Pisces? And towards you, ano yung energy ng person mo towards you, Pisces? Energy ng person mo towards you. Excuse me. Okay. 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 So Pisces. Yeah. Pisces, you're thinking about the situation, no, ng inyong connection or ng inyong relasyon, okay, with this person. For some of you, you are dealing with a Leo, a Libra, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Merong competition, no? Or merong conflict. Parang merong restriction at the same time. You are protecting yourself, Pisces. But alam mo yung person mo is masaya siya, okay? Masaya siya pag nandiyan ka or nakikita ka or kasama ka or kausap ka, okay? Yeah, it's like parang ikaw na-enlighten ang pakiramdam niya or na-enlighten siya pag nandyan ka. Yung parang ikaw yung liwanag, no? Para sa kanya. Okay? Yeah. But your person is confused, no? Or parang hindi niya alam how to take action towards you. But definitely, this person is interested in you, no? Merong flame, fire. Okay, very attracted siya sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Nagko-contemplate ka or nag-introspect ka about the connection, about this person, or about sa nangyayari sa person mo. Okay? Or even in your situation. Okay, Three of Pentacles. This is about work, okay? Cooperation, coordination, working together, no? Yeah. But you don't want any conflict, no? You don't want pains, no? You are very protective of yourself, Pisces. And nagkakaroon ka ng yung parang nagne-negative thinking ka, okay? You feel that you are trapped, parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo sa sitwasyon mo. Okay? But you know, sometimes this is just an illusion, no? Parang sala-salabit, ang dami mong iniisip about your situation. You are concerned about yourself, you are very protective, you are defensive, no? You are saying no. You are showing strength, no, towards that person. Okay? But definitely, you are affected, no? With this person. Otherwise, hindi ka magiging ganito yung sitwasyon mo. Alright? Yeah, there is working together, no? Maybe Pisces, this person is kasama mo sa trabaho. Okay. There is rivalry and competition. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano to. Five of Wands. Yeah, you want peace of mind, Pisces. Five of Wands, please. Yeah, Three of Wands. About work. Okay? About progress. So, it's like yung person mo is parang hindi niya din mawari kung ano ang magiging resulta ng inyong connection or ng inyong relasyon, okay? Because parang ang daming taong involved in the situation, Pisces. Yeah, merong competition, merong rivalry. Okay? Yeah, your person wants to succeed, no? In you. Yeah. Gusto ko maging malapit ng person mo or ng person na to sa'yo. But you are the one who is staying away. You are protective of yourself, defensive, no? Yeah. Tingnan natin. The Sun. Ace of Cups. Oh my gosh. So, your person is in love with you. That's why he or she is confused, no, about the situation. Confused in a sense na parang hindi niya alam kung paano mag-take ng initiative or to take action to get your attention, no? Paano niya iparamdam sa inyo na mahal niya kayo or may feelings siya sa inyo. Something like that. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. Yeah, for some of you, parang wala pang official, no? Hindi pa official na kayo. Okay? Yeah, that's why your person, yeah, gusto niya maging malapit sa inyo. Okay? Mag-take ng action towards you na iparamdam sa inyo na gusto kanya. Okay? The Star. Okay? Yeah. Maybe sumasakit yung ulo ng person mo is because of the controversies. Okay? Parang may problema, no? Yeah, most especially if you are working with this person or sa isang trabaho ito. The Star. Yeah, gusto ng person mo ng kaayusan in your situation. Yung parang smooth lang. Okay? Yeah. Gusto ng person mo yung parang pareho kayo ng nararamdaman. Okay? Merong parang forgiveness in that sense. Forgiveness or pagkakaisa. Something like that. May unity because may chaos eh. Parang may rivalry, merong competition. And your person wants that healing in that situation, no? Or forgiveness at the same time kung meron mang gulo in the situation. Okay? Yeah. Your person is gaining inner strength, no? Para malagpasan niya kung ano man to yung challenge na nangyayari sa inyong connection or relationship and yung mga nakapalibot. Okay? Sa inyo. Angel of Wands, tingnan natin. Ace of Wands, sorry. Ano natin Ace of Wands? Yeah, Queen of Swords. Okay. Your person wants to directly communicate this with you na gusto kanya. Okay? Yeah. Not only na para may feelings sa inyo, pero attracted siya, no? Sa inyo, Pisces. Okay? Queen of Swords. No? He or she wants to get out from this situation na parang may controversies, no? Or parang merong problema in the environment, no? If this is a working environment and may mga tao na nangingialam, okay? So, ayaw niya ng ganon. He's cutting off people na nangingialam sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, your person wants to be realistic sa nararamdaman niya sa inyo. Okay? The Hermit, tingnan natin kung ano to. Yeah. Your person, yes, your person wants to walk away from a conflict, no? Or gulo. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin, the Hermit. Three of Pentacles. You're thinking, yeah, again, Three of Pentacles. You're thinking about your work, no? With the people na nakakatrabaho or katrabaho mo. Okay? That's why, Pisces, parang lumalayo ka or protective ka because may mga tao na nangingialam. Okay. And iniisip mo na mag-focus ka na lang sa work mo instead than to think about these people. Okay? And the controversies, kung meron man, sa trabaho. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. Three of Pentacles, tingnan natin. Ano to? Six of Pentacles. Yeah. Gusto mo nang may fairness, no? Fairness of attention, fairness pagdating sa trabaho. Okay? You feel that your person is giving you attention, no? And time. Okay? You feel that this person is cooperative with you, no? At binibigyan ka ng favor. Okay? So work, again, Pentacles. The Swords, na natin from the Swords. Knight of Wands. Okay. You are staying away from this person because you feel that this person is like parang hindi seryoso or merong player energy. Okay. Yeah. You are thinking about the seriousness of this person, no? Kung totoo ba siya sa'yo or hindi. Genuine ba siya? Yung yung support na binibigay sa'yo or attention, genuine ba yan or hindi? Because definitely, you don't want the Wands, the Seven of Wands. Ayaw mo ng gulo or distraction. That's why you are, parang it's like you are in a bubble. No? Because you don't want chismis, okay, or gulo, controversies, no? Ayaw mo ng ganon. Okay. Yeah. Parang gusto mong lagpasan or gusto mo ng another phase, yung tahimik na sitwasyon, no? That is for some of you. You are passing conflicts or chaos, gulo. Ayaw mo ng ganun. Okay? You want peace and yung trabaho lang. Alam mo yung ganun. 8 of Swords. Tingnan natin kung ano to. But, yung sitwasyon nito ay laging nasa isip mo. Pisces. Work, controversies, love affair. Yeah, because someone, no, merong may gusto sa inyo. Okay? 10 of Wands. Yeah. Parang burden. Burden na to para sa inyo yung sitwasyon na ganito. Pisces. Okay? You want to protect yourself. But then, parang hindi mo maiwasan na maisip, no? Hindi mo maiwasan na maisip yung sitwasyon na to. Kasi parang naguguluhan ka. Because you want peace eh. Peace, tahimik. And focus ka lang sa goal mo, sa money, sa trabaho. Okay? So, nagiging burden na to sa'yo yung ganitong situation. 7 of Wands. Let's see. Yeah, your person is looking forward na magkaroon ng kaayusan, no? With these people, these 5 of Wands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Daming people involved, no? Or nakapalibot sa inyo. Your person feels different, special towards you. May gusto yung person na to. Maybe this person is a boss because of the Queen of Swords. Yeah. Okay? Or may ranggo or may posisyon sa isang trabaho. Okay? Seven of Wands. Let's see. The Emperor. Yeah. You want stability, no? Sa sarili mo. Okay? Gusto mo ng kaayusan. Gusto mo yung maybe because the Emperor. Yeah, again, this is a boss, no? Or yung may or this is also a company or institution. Yeah, parang gusto mo ng malinis yung pangalan mo or malinis yung pangalan mo pagdating sa trabaho because tingnan natin ano tong the Emperor. Maybe you are protective of yourself because magkatrabaho kayo or isang company lang kayo. Okay? Tingnan natin. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles again sa work. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, merong conflict, no? Merong conflict because magkatrabaho kayo and maapektuhan yung work. 7 of Pentacles. You are thinking about the improvement or stability ng trabaho mo. You're thinking about work. Your pera, your target is mag-improve, no? Yung performance mo, and in return, you will receive more from this company. Okay? You're thinking about your income, no? Something like that. Yeah. That's why you are very protective of yourself. Okay? Okay. Yeah. So, Pisces, these are the energies ngayon in your situation. Love, connection, or romantic situation. So, ito yung energy ng person mo and the people around you. So, it's up to you, no? How to take steps, no? para maging maayos yung sitwasyon mo. So, be confident if you want to get out from a conflict, nagiging burden sa inyo yung situation. So, I think it's just parang tama lang din na you are protecting yourself from this magulo na situation, no? And focus on your goal, no? Stability, no? Sa work mo. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, Pisces, maraming salamat sa inyo. All the best and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!